Your friend is busy sampling and you are sampling stomach. What every time you are not understanding? Look at keeping things on someone's car. What's your name? Fine girl.
And so, like, what do you mean by that? Is that how you talk to people?
Look at this. What is this thing? What is this thing for?
Please give me.
Why are you squeezing face like shit?
I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
Mean by what?
I don't understand.
I don't understand. I'm talking to
this car, not being together.
Excuse, I want to drive out.
What's your own problem? If you know that your car is a follow person,
I tell you what. It's like this synthetic weed is disturbing you. It's the synthetic weed disturbing you.
What is it? It's not straight. They look here well. It's not straight. They use like so. They calm down.
This one straight on top coconut head.
What do you mean? I don't understand. What I know you sabi and small. Because this car if you go shop, you say not even get that. So they go borrow their friend car. They come outside. They come.
At least my friend ask her. Your friend don't have wig.
She used to be creating hair now.
I don't get wig. Support her. Her hair is old. How are you fine girl?
I don't understand.
Support girl is fine.
I beg, free us, I beg. Now so you need follow person.
Is that why you're angry? Fine girl.
I beg leave.
What happened to my face? You're falling for me. This is for Matiko. It's not your mate. Sit down, John.
So they follow. Now they come the way they talk to babe. Now babe will be.
Hey, babe. This is an chief daddy. See Belle. That one don't punch her.
Is it a crime to have a big?
I'm do stand up for now. You see what your belly have done? They say tomorrow is pregnant. Maybe not even tomorrow. What you go born for us? Hey, Chineke. What you go born for us?
What do you want to do for us now?
I just small thing for now.
What do you mean by this one? What do you hold this cash first? Calm down now. What do they solve? What do we do?
300.
What do you want to do for us next? I'm not insult. Now very big insult. You see me born straight for you. They give me 300 naira to do. This one will pay my transport come for you.
Thank you now.
I know they like that kind of thing.
So you can't tell me thank you.
Thank you for waiting. Now 300.
And I want to transfer phone. Now like 20k transfer phone. Now your man.
No, not be so. You know, not so like being. You know, they tend to with this kind of money.
Oh yeah, call your account number. Give back my money first.
Also
collect the 300.
I just want one. Not be so.
Also don't finish. Now I make a stomach fat. Also the blow stomach.
Transfer.
Oh yeah, do now.
Your car fine.
I know now.
Jesus, you be big boy. You
better
transfer.
How much want to do you?
Okay. As we do like this, I know as everywhere does that. But we'll manage 10k.
10k.
We'll manage them. You know, say for the mood just enter your buy ice cream.
No use and go do BBL.
No, 10k if you do BBL. This is my natural. This BBL.
Hey.
Everywhere food.
If you want to do BBL, no need. Just carry your stomach join for nyash.
3-1.
Poor man picking. Hey.
What's your name?
Hi.
You want? I like him. Oh, Chimo.
And my head network.
No, synthetic wig they make.
I'm going straight. So not no waiting to talk. No, let people wait.
Oh, my phone on the off. I'm not charge phone. I don't go spoil the car. Do fast. Enter now. Which car? Your papa buy car give me. Don't be my car.
What do you mean? I'll come down now. No one follow you fight. You don't do the transfer. You don't do the transfer. I said
my car. Now the one in my battery don't off.
Your battery don't off.
I get my phone.